Good morning. Today I will teach you that English grammar. Please open the page number 7, the comma. And you are in class 3. Please mute everybody. Please mute yourself. Okay. So please open your book, page number 7, and also at the same time take your copy. Last day I told about the comma. Comma is a punctuation mark. Comma is a punctuation mark. And also I told that 3 punctuation marks you have already learned. That is for the full stop, asking question for that question mark, and now comma. Comma already you have given. Now again you are giving the also this comma, page number 8, grammar book. Here I told also two ideas, same ideas, similar words or ideas, we can separate them by commas, where we can use comma. 2 or more than book and copy, beta. Book and copy, both. Book and copy, both. Please don't unmute. Don't unmute. Kritika Pal, Kaushik. Kaushik, why you are not joining up to this day? How are you? Page number, Tiyasa, I have written page number 7 in your grammar book. Page number 7 in your grammar book. So, comma, 2 or more than 2 similar words or ideas, we can put comma. And also another things, whenever we are addressing a noun, we separate a noun of address by a comma. So how? I have given last day example. Now also I am just giving example. Just like this, Oshmita, Reza, Auditro. Aradha, please stop your front camera. Ahanaf, why are you always unmuting? So here, comma, where we can put like this, if I am telling that Ayush, Deboshmita and Lisa. So here I can give comma. Here I can give comma. Okay. So here we are using comma. And next one, if I am asking that Indrakshi, how are you? Indrakshi, how are you? Oh, like this, if I am telling, so here I can keep comma. Okay. Full board, actually it is not like this, only left side I am writing this. Okay. So with only this portion I am writing. So only these 2 things you can remember. Full board you cannot see, only half left portion only you can see that. So here these 2 ideas, 2 things you can remember. First one, 2 or more similar ideas, you can put comma. Another one, you can also, whenever you are addressing someone, addressing noun, that time we can put comma. So we can go to the page number 7. Please, page number 7 you can do in the book, also you can do in the copy. copy your book, anything you can do, no problem, but I want to see that after the class, or you have to send the image. Number 1, B, number 1, John, Sonam, Ajoy and Aslam. This is you can do in the book because that is better, okay, because you have to write all these things, it is better you can do in the book. So John, after we will do the comma. I am not writing all the sentences. John, Sonam also we can do the comma. Ajoy and Aslam. So Ajoy after and is there, so we are not putting comma there. Only John and Sonam, these two comma we are using. Riddhi, why are you unmute? Number 2, B1, B2. I am fond of playing chess, collecting stamps and watching television. So playing chess, only after we can give the comma. Playing chess. Yes, Ankita, you can do in your book. I told you, please do it in your book. That will be easier for you. I am fond of playing chess, collecting stamps and watching television. So and is there, we are not putting comma. Playing chess, we will only after that we will give comma. Number 3, ma'am, the homework was very interesting. So I just told you that whenever you addressing, we are calling. Okay, so here ma'am. Here ma'am, here you can give comma. The homework was very interesting. That you need not to, I am not writing, you also need not to write, only you can give comma or put comma in your book. Number 4, our train stopped at Mathura, Agra, Gwalior and Jhansi. So after Mathura, comma, Agra, also comma, Gwalior and Jhansi, so and is there, so I am not putting there comma. Next, page number 5. Where did you keep my big Zaira? Where did you keep my bag, Zaira? Purbayan, now no need to open the front camera, and also that is opposite. Okay, beta? Purbayan, now stop your front camera. So where did you keep my bag, Zaira? So where we can put, Indrakshi has written bag, obviously bag, comma, Zaira. Number 6. Her father is an intelligent, hardworking and loving person. So intelligent, comma, hardworking and loving person. So intelligent after only comma I can put. Next, number 7. Here first one I am rubbing. Number 7, her father is intelligent after we have given comma. Deepika took her bath, had a cup of tea, listened to some music and, so took her bath. Here number 7, took her bath, comma, had a cup of tea, had a cup of tea, comma, listen to some music and went to play. So only that things, okay. Next, number 8, we purchased a loaf of bread, a bottle of jam, 4 eggs, 2 packets of biscuits. So here number 8, here I am writing we purchased a loaf of bread, comma, bottle of jam, four eggs. So bottle of jam after comma, 4 eggs no need to give because 4 eggs and 2 packets of biscuits. So next, number 9. Number 9, I have to solve 10 sums, learn a poem and draw a map. So number 9, I have to solve 10 sums. Sums means some maths, okay, math problems. 10 sums, learn a poem and draw a map. Number 10, I have already visited Paris, Singapore, Rome, Moscow and Tokyo. So here Lisa has written, Indrakshi also has written. Full I am not writing, only this left side I am writing. So Ankita also has sent that number 10, I have already visited Paris, Singapore, Rome, Moscow. So Paris, here Paris, Singapore, after comma, Rome after comma, then Moscow and Tokyo, no need to give comma. Then number 11, at school we study English. Shaptarshi, please don't unmute, okay? Number 11, at school we study English, mathematics, Hindi and science. So English, comma, mathematics, comma, Hindi and science. So number 12, in indoor games we can play carom, ludo, badminton and table tennis. So we can give carom, comma, ludo, comma, badminton and table tennis. They have given that also. Indrakshi, how many times you have sent this image? Arman, you have completed, so please revise it. So here carom, CARROM, okay, and carom and ludo. So here I think you have understood where you can put the comma. Shrestha, you have written the coffee, that is very good, but actually you can give comma in your book also. Aritro has sent the Arman, please send the picture of the book or copy wherever you have completed. Shomagni has completed. So I think you have understood the comma, and if you are having any problem, please tell me.